Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we just like to show you our home makeover. Please stay tuned and I'll tune back in. Hey guys, here in this clip I'm showing you the repairs that we're making in the walls. We're just filling in some holes and repairing this crack, and closer to the door is where the door handle hit. So we have to put the thing back on to avoid getting it. Guys, here in this clip I'm just showing you the repair from where the air conditioner leaked. We have to wall, and then of course the trim is everything is going to get redone. Here in this clip I'm showing you the paint that my husband found at Lowe's for $30. It's a 5-gallon bucket, but there was just a color that somebody didn't like. But the color of the paint is really nice. It's like a bluish color. Here in this clip I'm showing you like the cabinets in the hallway. Those are gonna stay that color. And then just the gray is going to change. The doors will also stay this color, and the trim will be painted white. And I don't think I actually showed you guys the rest of our bathroom remodel. I just showed you like the tile and things. I don't think we showed you like more of the finished, but we'll have that video coming soon for you, so stay tuned for that one. Here we're just showing you like the hallway, how we have it all papered off. And this is just like a view of the paint while it's drying. You can see the paint is also different. You can see the lines, but that's because hubby went back over some already. The paint is all still wet, so everything looks weird. Here I'm showing you the paint color. And you can see the paint is still wet. As you can see, it's a little darker than the other color we had before. It's a really pretty blue, but it's kind of hard to see on this camera. Hey guys, I just thought we'd come on real quick. We were up to about 3 in the morning painting. We still got a little bit to do, like up there by the nail right here, because I don't get on the ladder, so I just did what I could help my husband with down here, like right here. There's a little bit on the white part, but that doesn't matter because we're gonna repaint the white anyway. Jacqueline's helping put the outlet covers back on. These ones we need to take the internet probably off and paint around it. There's Jimena. She just woke up. Yeah, we have to paint down there a little bit, so I sit up there. Sorry guys, not wanting to focus. My cheap little phone. Yeah. That's a glare from the window. Like I said, we're gonna find a different color. We're not sure what color we're gonna paint the doors yet. I think black. Or the same color as the other doors on the inside and outside. I'm not sure because our house is dark blue. But this is still gonna be painted some more. We took the paper off the floor, and now we have to clean it because it kind of left a smudge. But you can see over here, we did touch up painting and stuff last night. Down here we have to do the trim and stuff. Get that tape. We put the cover back on. Normally we change out the covers, but my hubby just left for work and we didn't get any more material from the store, so we just put them back on. That way nobody gets shocked when they touch it. This is how it's looking, the two color contrast with the white.
It's full.
You can see. They kind of look similar in color, but in person the doors are a little bit lighter.
You could just paint it.
Like to me it looks like a bird-proof blue, the doors, and then this one is like a grayish blue. Can't really see, but really.
Is there a mustard?
Like this house had really bad walls, so we put thicker texture.
Look, our kitchen's even worse.
The kitchen
It's even worse because it's halfway painted.
we started painting in here, but we have to take all the things off the walls. That was just real quick to use up the paint that he had left in the bucket to not pour it back in, because they said it would make the paint go thick or something, it would ruin it. So we just used up what we had, and so the kitchen's gonna be this blue color also for now. So see, he's starting to paint. This was 3 in the morning and we were all getting tired, so we decided we weren't gonna keep going tonight. So I kind of put my you can kind of see. Sorry about my shaky hands, guys. I put my things back up there that I had on my china cabinet. When Jacqueline was little, she broke this glass, and we just haven't replaced it yet. My hubby's gonna order a piece, but then he's got to take out that one over there because it's got a design on it, and move it to the middle because the one that we're gonna order doesn't have the design. Well, that's just gonna be ordered like from Lowe's or somewhere where they cut the glass. Otherwise we'll have to take that one out and order another piece to make it match. So he's gonna try and take that one out. It's got like a caulk line or something. It's like a rubber line to hold it in. Just gotta take that piece out. But this is kind of my decor that I have. We have roosters and grapes.
Fruit. You.
Kind of, to me, I don't know. It's kind of my feel of the rustic. Our chimney was leaking, so he's got to repair that. My plant. Sorry guys about the glare. We're thinking we're gonna redo these spice racks that he made for me. They're cedar wood, but he's gonna make I think we're gonna stain them instead of painting them. And then another project, it's gonna be to redo my table.
To match the chairs.
My old cell table. Don't mind this floor, it needs cleaned, but we've been working in here so much. I just got these new chairs. So finally I don't have broken chairs in my kitchen. Or scratched up chairs from the cats. But little by little this house is getting put back together. This is my... You could see you in the video.